We're gathered here today to celebrate Susan Elizabeth's birthday. I understand it's the big 70, and I remember years and years ago being 70 around the waist. So I wish you health and happiness, Sue, and I love you very much. Take care. Bye-bye. The end.
Happy birthday, young'un! Have a great day!
Bonjour, Suzi. You're not 70. You're 69.95 plus tax.
Hi, Susie. I know you're too old to remember who I am. I'm not in prison. I made something of myself, and I wanted to wish you a happy birthday.
Hello, Susie. I was not a tourist in your life, but I remember times ago, and I wanted to wish you a very, very happy birthday. Bye-bye.
So, Susie, I can remember a time or two when you used to give some of us old guys, toy makers, a bad time about age. But I see now you're catching up with us. You're 70 years old, so happy birthday. It's been a while since we've seen you, so I hope next time you're in town you'll come by sometime at the breakfast or at the lunch that we have and join us. But happy birthday. We miss you, and I love you. Take care.